Look at those losers. They're like 2 and they're all smoking and they've all got their shirts off and they think they're the best. To be young. Anyway, so I forgot to vlog this morning. Sorry, my bad. I finished. I woke up really late, and then I didn't have very long. I had to upload the other video, and then I had to get stuff ready for tonight because I was meant to finish at 9:30. Got down there and there's hardly anyone there, and they need to train a couple of guys, so they need them to be there. And the manager came up and said, "Do you really want to be?" And I'm like, I need to go to a party tonight anyway. So he said, "Well, I need to send someone off early, and if you're happy to go, then that's all good." So I finished 2 hours into my shift. So I'm not going to complain. I might go to the beach, and then I can actually go to the party on proper time. So it won't be a waste of a day. Just heading down to the beach now. Steph's down there. Probably going to go for a surf. I brought my other phone with the waterproof casing to see how that goes in the surf. The wind's made it a bit colder than I thought it was. It's going to be a bit scary. Oh, so check this out. Steph said she was sitting on the beach, and it was the most drive, and a big wave came in. You can see it. Oh, it's just getting washed right in where all these people were sitting. Look at it. Must have been huge. Look what it's done. I've never seen it like this. Look at it. It's like a little rock pool. It's nuts. Must have been one big wave, man. Steffi's here.
Hello.
Yes. Now I'm going to go switch to the waterproofing. My fucking god, it is so cold. Alright. And again. And down we go. Alright. I want to see whether it's possible to catch a wave with this. Are you ready? I am. That was a fail. I don't want to go under. I'm out of flags. Whoopsies. Long out there, it's so cold. Oh, do you want to stay here and I'll walk down a bit? I've just finished my surf, which was very unsuccessful, and Steph has got sand all in my case. It's a tourist waterfall! Tourist waterfall! There it is, stand in the waterfall, stand in the river, stand in it. Don't get washed away. Hey, look at it! I'm standing in a waterfall. And that's not really a waterfall. It looks pretty chat though. Steffi is now playing with the remote control helicopter. Ah. Look at me. Ah. Hi. You're mean. Oi. Trying to land it on that pad at 10. The wind's coming in through the door. The wind was coming through the door. Give me 2 seconds.
Fail. Hurry up. That'll do.
No, wait. Steph and I have just arrived, and I did it with our GPS. So, GPS is, who needs them, eh? Anyway, we stopped at, yesterday I didn't film it, but I donated some money to a organisation that helps with the Special Olympics. And they gave me this voucher to whenever I go to Shell to get free stuff, so we just tried it out then. It was all good. I got a Top Gear magazine, Steph got a Cosmopolitan magazine, we got a chocolate bar. It was sweet! Anyway, time to say hello to the others. We are here!
And meow meow! What are you doing?
I'm vlogging.
Oh!
Yeah, so this is Chloe's house. That's the dogs. Say hello, Bailey.
The other one's
Hi!
I think the other one's like Chloe, what's the other dog called?
Yeah.
Rosie.
Anyway, so I've already got here.
Rosie,
I've got the
Bailey.
drinks out. That's Tom, Sinead, and that's very alcoholic. One way of putting
Yeah,
it.
there's like a whole bunch of tequila in there.
Yeah. And that is oh, that's a good sight.
She's working at 9 AM tomorrow morning.
What is it with you and that?
No. I had it.
You know that's black.
No.
It's still actually recording.
Us.
It's
Black there.
it's my screen.
Shot glasses smells good. Your screen.
Puppy.
Oh my god,
Rosie.
that too.
Rosie. Wait, come here.
And I love it
Look at this. Look at this puppy. Look at this puppy.
Sit down. Sit. Your perspective is really good doing
Look at
this.
this.
I think
Wait.
it's Rosie's not
Come here.
What are you doing? It looks like a
Come here. Yes.
Ready,
Yes.
fine.
High five.
So yeah, we're all just sitting out here now.
Imagine having a border collie puppy. Sit.
We're hitting the town.
Where's the laptop, Chloe? Is it upstairs?
No, it's just in the lounge room. It's not closed properly, so can you
We are at Cross. Steffi got a what did you get?
Mediterranean land.
Wine. Look how many people there are.
I used to work here.
No, I'm just
Slave labours.
yeah, I know. Just how much would it cost in like labour?
No, but you know how many pizzas they do? They get a lot of orders as well. Look at all that. All that in there is orders. But
Yeah, I
they
know.
haven't done yet.
I know, but it's still a lot of labour.
How about we go get...
We are at Cronulla Beach. Say hello, everyone. Say hello, Tom. Yeah, first time in Cronulla Beach. Yep.
Oh, I am.
Drinking Django. Yeah, that's right. Take it and enjoy it. I have to go refill the glass now. Anyway, so we're all off to bed now.
After Captain Bear.
After Captain Bear, apparently. No.
No, don't listen to you.